Hey everybody, today I get to drive the Munro 4x4, as you can see, a go anywhere vehicle. Let's go see if it can do what they say it can. So this, everybody, is the first drive of the Munro off-road 4x4 vehicle, which is, we've already seen, awesome. There we go. What a landscape to do this on. And it just handles everything, doesn't it? So off the power, the engine holding us, or the motor holding us. Yeah, baby. $700 Newton meters of torque.
And get yourself squared up to this.
Oh yes, that is proper anywhere. Oh yeah, burger. Up you go.
Just be careful you don't overcorrect and
Okay.
head right.
Yeah.
Because that would spoil everything.
Oh my gosh. That can go anywhere. We've been up hills, we've been in ditches, through ruts, in mud. This is a proper off-road vehicle and can tow 3.5 tons. This is going to make a massive difference to the whole utility sector and to so many people that want to do that proper off-roading experience, but protecting the lovely environment. Welcome the Munro EV 4x4. So let's have a few facts about the Munro EV. It has a 220 or 280 kilowatt hour motor. That's up to 380 brake horsepower in old money. They're going to go with a 90 kilowatt hour battery, which will take some 190 miles and maybe more in easy circumstances, but bear in mind where this vehicle will be operated. In the 280 kilowatt motor, this will tow 3.5 tons. And in the 220 kilowatt motor, and I'm just pointing it because that's what we've been driving today, that will tow 2.5 tons. So what we have got is a solution here for the utility sector. We have got a solution for many use cases that are as yet unmet. Yes, we know that there are vehicles that are out there now in the commercial sector that will tow 3.5 tons. But the Munro here will go anywhere, and that is the critical thing for many of the use cases that are going on within our industry at the minute. So watch out for the Munro. It will be coming. There will be tweaks to the 1050 payload bed that we can get there. There will be tweaks to this vehicle, but I give big kudos and big credit to Munro for allowing us early access to see this vehicle and to experience it in the way that we have today. Have a great day, everybody.